Alright friends, this is how to open a TV dinner like one of these with one hand. I wonder how would you manage this flip side, because they designed these kind of flimsy, but I somehow managed this. I don't know, how would you do this with one finger? Because somehow no cheating, although that didn't really peel. I don't know how. Uh-oh. That's supposed to peel right backwards. What happened? But sometimes... Ooh. Usually that's supposed to peel. Interesting, that was supposed to peel right off. Ouch. It's kind of interesting way they... I don't know if I failed this. Sorry folks. Be sure to vaccinate, sanitize, and subscribe.